like to welcome y'all to this live stream on Facebook, eventually on YouTube and stuff like that. Okay. All right. So, what I'm here, I want to talk about the route changes that's going to go on here in New Orleans on September 25th. Okay. So it's going to affect a lot of people, including me. You know. So anyway, I have a little problem with them getting rid of the Marinette Bywater bus, you know. But somebody told me only one person be catching it. Well, I can't say what is up, you know. I don't know the song in the background. So many people is gonna be affected by this route change right here, you know. People are gonna be cursing at the driver or cursing at the supervisor or whatever. So let's see how that's gonna go down. But me personally, I'm gonna ride all the routes to see how it's gonna go. Will it affect me or not? You know. But they also changing the Saint Bernard route too. And not only that though, they probably getting rid of the Louisa bus too. You know. So I mean, I'm mostly appalled about that too, you know, because sometimes I be needing that Louisa bus from town to town, you know. So I guess they ain't gonna have no bus coming to Duncan Plaza, you know. So let me take my mask off so some of you can recognize me, you know. Still in COVID season, you know. So with the 51. And I don't know what they're gonna do with the 52 or whatever, you know. So if anybody don't know what else gonna be next or whatever. So and I don't know about the 101 Algiers point, you know. I guess they're gonna either switch that around or better yet get rid of that or whatever. Who knows, you know. So I'm just saying, it only going to affect me too. It's going to affect a lot of people, you know. Taking away the 51, not going down Mirabeau and St. Anthony and stuff like that, it's going to be a huge blow. What about the people that live on St. Bernard that also get the bus, you know? What about people in general? Not only the younger, the older people too that can't walk far to get the bus, you know. And not only that, somebody put a message RTA and say that he'll have to walk through a bad neighborhood to catch the bus, you know. So I'm all right. So on September 25th, I'm gonna see how this gonna go. There go my bus right there. Okay. So let me put my mask back on. All right, so all I'm gonna say, y'all, please, whatever y'all do not curse at the bus driver, please. All I'm telling y'all, the bus drivers is just doing their job, okay? Doing their job like they're supposed to, okay? All right, so I better go get on this bus before he or she pull off, okay? All right, bye-bye.